What's going on, bread chasers? My name is Josh, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can make money using TikTok. So over the past few months, I've noticed that TikTok has been getting a huge amount of attention lately. There are millions of new users joining the platform and creating accounts. I've made actually 3 TikTok accounts so far, and it's just really incredible how quickly you can get views, likes, and followers. So it makes perfect sense why there are so many people now using it just as much as Instagram or any other social media app. And while the main demographic seems to still be high school, college-age kids, and hey, that might be a turn-off for some people, but please remember that this is the same exact way that we saw with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, you name it. It always seems to start with the young people. And TikTok is going to continue blowing up. So if you want to stay with the times, if you haven't made an account already, just go make an account right now. So hey, how can you make money from TikTok? Here are a few ways that I have found through my research. Number 1, hit the like and subscribe to this channel. I post weekly videos covering online business, financial freedom, investing, and more. So yeah, the actual first way to make money on TikTok is by growing accounts and then selling them. So what you do here is actually pick a niche topic to attract a certain demographic of people to the account and then make videos about that topic. And as I've mentioned before, it really doesn't take a long time to start building an audience on TikTok. That's what makes that app unique. People are getting famous overnight after posting a few videos, mainly viral videos, of course. But once you get a decent following, you can sell these accounts on websites such as FameSwap. So as an example, you can see here that there are people selling TikTok accounts for as high as $300,000. Now this is an account that you can see has 2.6 million followers, and you don't need that many in order to do this. Here's an example of an account that has only 3,000 followers, and they're selling it for $110, and you can see that people are making offers. There's an offer of $100, so people are really doing this, and this could be a very interesting way to make money. It's an idea called digital real estate, which I plan to talk about more in future videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Another way to make money using TikTok is to actually go live and collect donations from viewers. This is a really cool feature that you can get creative with. So all TikTok users have the ability to buy coins, and they cost about 99 cents for 65 coins at the making of this video. Then, when you as the creator go live on TikTok, your viewers will have the ability to make donations to you directly using these coins as a way to thank you for the awesome content that you're putting out. Then, once you accumulate the minimum threshold, which is $100 in TikTok coins, you can get paid out via PayPal. So that's pretty dope. Not saying that this is easy to do because you have to be creative, you have to get a following, but this is another way that you can make money using TikTok. And the third way to make money using TikTok is to get a following and then direct those followers to another platform. Now, this one is a little bit trickier because you're trying to pull people off the TikTok app, which the TikTok developers probably don't want. But at the same time, the TikTok developers clearly have acknowledged that there are other platforms that people like to use. That's why they've made it super, super easy to be able to add your Instagram and YouTube account directly to your TikTok profile. That way, when your followers land on your page, it just takes one click and they'll be able to end up on your other social media accounts. So driving traffic from TikTok to your monetized YouTube channel, for example, is another way to generate more money. The last way to make money potentially through TikTok is to pay influencers on TikTok to promote something that you're selling, or they can help you get traffic to your site, whatever it may be. We just got to remember that there are a lot of users on TikTok that are younger, so they probably don't have a whole lot of experience negotiating brand deals and whatnot. Now, I'm not saying to take advantage of anyone, but you can potentially get millions of eyes on whatever you're selling just by reaching out to an influencer and seeing if maybe you can work out a deal. Now, listen, I want you to join in on the conversation. So if there are any ideas or suggestions that you have on ways to make money on TikTok, definitely go ahead and leave a comment down below. And thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.